Welcome back guys to another snowblowing video. Once again, we did have another snowstorm, about an inch in most places, 2 inches in some, up to 3 inch snow drifts maybe. Today is Friday the 5th, I believe. Almost Super Bowl Sunday, guys. Almost mid-winter break for us kids in elementary and junior high. Yeah, so another snowstorm. Mother Nature's starting to catch up with all our snow. I already had this thing run today because obviously I did the sidewalk earlier this morning, so still need to prime and run it like always. 1, 2, 3. I think today I'll use the electric start. This snowblower has the electric start on it. I don't know if my dad had this put on, but unlike my grandma's snowblower, I always had my leg pinched into the motorcycle. Like on my grandma's snowblower, there's a slot to have it put in, but it's not put in. On my Papa snowblower, it is. Obviously, put in, test out. Okay, it worked. Make sure you turn the switch on. No, I forgot to turn the switch on. repair. Then I gotta move the Dodge so I can get inside of that. That'll be easy. Just gotta grab the tape. Not duct tape. Duct tape sucks. Gorilla. Make you strong. I'm a dummy. I'm just gonna keep the chute like that. I'm just gonna put some tape. Just some tape. Here. Clean it off a bit. Just gonna block that so no snow comes out of there. Just throwing it all back onto the driveway. And that's not needed. Okay, we're gonna throw some down there. I'm gonna put some like that. That's how it's gonna stick to the tape that's on there. It's not a permanent fix, obviously. It's just gonna be hopefully a temporary fix that'll stay. There. I'm hoping that stays. If not, oh well. Put the tape back. That's the piece for the Dodge. I'll pull it forward a few feet. And then move the snow thrower first. It's chilly out here. It's probably like 20 degrees. The windshield probably feels like 13. It's a little nipply. Gotta keep my mask up here. Blocks the wind off my face. Start it back up. Choke. I'm gonna go snatch the keys for the truck. Hey, Mom? Can you grab the keys for the truck so I can move it so I can do the snow? Out of my boot. So I can get around it with the snow thrower. But I have my boots on, I don't want to come inside.
Wanna start?
No. Okay. Oh! Oh, I was just here. There it goes. I can hear the fuel pump. I thought it
Sounds
did.
wrong, sounds dirty.
Okay. Come on, Dodge. Maybe I'll have the magic touch. Let's see what the dash says. Maybe it's too cold. Remote start disabled. Vehicle reset. Okay, let's get that cold start, guys. See if you can hear us. Woo! Windshield wipers are stuck. Okay. Let's go clean the windshield wipers are stuck. Woo! Now let's see. No, hold on. Guys, we gotta get the. I gotta get the snow brush. Not snow brush. It's a push broom, but it'll work. There we go. Now let's see. Let's see. Oh, crap. Whoops. Okay, I gotta get the scraper out of my mom's car. Let's hope it's unlocked. There's a scraper over here. I wonder if there's one in the truck. Oh, you locked. It's unlocked. Hold on, guys. Huh. This was locked. Aha! No rush. Oh, I hit the camera. Okay. Now let's try. Yeah, I'm gonna sit you guys down for a second here. Hey guys. Okay. There we go. Get out the snowblower and I'll back it back up. Gonna get you guys put back on here. I'll use the electric start again. That'll spin it over faster. Grab the keys and Parker. I just wanted to get behind it. Okay, now let's see. Whoa, oh, there's ice in there. I'll tell my dad that it just needed to be started and then turned up. Okay. Use the ignition arm out. I got that. Good enough. Actually, that's freaking perfect. Heck yeah. Dude, I'm right on it. I love my loving it. Heck yeah. Okay. I'm back, blower. best running machines out there. I don't care if you guys who have the newer ones say, oh, mine starts with 3 pulls when it's cold. Dude, when I first started this thing today, we've been having extremely low temperatures. It's supposed to, here in Michigan, it's supposed to get down to the single digits. And up in Pinconning, if any of you guys are watching in Pinconning, you ready to go out ice fishing. There's going to be more in shore ice. There's some shore ice. Hopefully we're building ice out in the, farther out in the bay. I like to go this through here and tap it. Then clean it off a bit before I stick it in the garage. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did my own paint job to it. It's not perfect, but it's good. Okay. You guys don't have to believe me, I've changed the oil in this once. I don't know if my parents have when they first got this machine. But this thing has the original spark plug in it. And this thing's as old as me. They got this before I was born. We had this one snowstorm in like 2005, I think they said. It was the year before I was born. And my dad was shoveling me. I go, no, I'm not doing this. I'm going to get a snowblower. So we went and bought a snowblower. That one. The original spark plug. And that thing's 14 years old. And it starts first pull. I'm telling you, there's some machines that will run on the same spark plug for years. And then when you're using the machines, before you know it, they die. So I think next year we're going to replace it. Or at least buy one so when it does go out, we can easily just change it. That does. Just clean up a bit here. And I will be going to my grandma's house just now. So look for that video. It should be up by tomorrow, which will be the day before the Super Bowl. So I'm normally not the YouTuber to ask for likes, shares, comments, none of that. But today, especially as my grandma's brother, he has a type of cancer. And I'd like for you guys to keep him in your prayers. That's all I ask you to do today. Just keep him in your prayers, guys. He has this cancer and not a good time to be sick, as you know. So, at least you guys could just keep in your prayers. Let's go clean up down at the end of the driveway a bit. I don't know what. That's all ice. I love doing this stuff, guys. This should give you a hint to why I named my YouTube channel The Hard Work Kid. So I work hard. The harder you work, the better you do. Most likely to get paid. Like, sometimes I'll do my grandma's neighbor's snow, and I don't even ask for them to pay me or if I'll do it for money. I just do it. Sometimes I get paid since I do a good job. And I like doing it. I like doing it too. And my friend Joey watched my videos too, so hey Joey. Oh, I have to get my snowblower back. I have to do it in front of the mailbox. This should be fun and interesting. That's stuff from the plow. So that should give it some work. go finish cleaning up the back. That'll be the end of this video, guys. And then I'll be recording me doing my grandma's snow. So, like I said, you guys didn't see the video, sorry. We put they're called poly paddles. They're red paddles, and you can get them on the internet for any single stage. And they're just really good. They chew it up. Before we had rubber paddles on, they were overdue to get changed, I'm telling you. But we put those on, and it moves it like it's nothing. So this should really put this to the test since it is icy. It should really put that snowblower to the test. And we need to get a new spark plug for it this year. We'll change the oil in it next year. During the spring, when it's going away for the summer, and the lawnmower's coming out for the winter, or for the summer, we'll change the oil in that, put a new spark plug. I put a new spark plug in the mower. My grandpa had one sitting around, so I put it in. Sorry if you guys can't see this. I'll angle my camera a bit. So, that should be a little better. I just shove it down there, because why not? And it works for it too. It just fits down there. Then it gives the trees water when the snow melts. Hope you guys are liking this video so far. This part may be a little boring, so you guys don't have to stick around when you watch this video. If you don't want to watch this part, you're not going to upset me. Honestly, I just do this for entertainment purposes and just showing you what my life is like, guys. When it snows. And if you guys don't subscribe to my Grass Gear channel, you can go under channels on under my main channel. You can find my Grass Skater channel and the TikTok channel. And I'll probably change the name to the Gamer Kid. So I might start a gaming channel on my TikTok channel and stop uploading TikToks to it. So if you guys want me to change my TikTok name, my TikTok channel to the Gaming Kid, let me know by leaving a thumbs up on this video. If we get 5 likes on this video, and by the end of this month, then I'll change my name. Since I'm a newer YouTuber, still newer to the YouTube family and stuff like that, I'm only going to ask for 5 likes. If you guys exceed that 5 likes, I will change my name. Whenever I hit 5 likes, that's when I change my name. But if you guys make this video exceed 5 likes, then I'll upload gaming videos every time I game. So I'll let you guys decide what you want me to do. Ah! Oh, I forgot I have my things here. They're not freezing quite yet. There, so one of them is orange, one of them is red or yellow, and they're gonna sit right here. They're gonna freeze into marbles. It's supposed to get down into the single digits here, so they should freeze pretty quickly. I'm surprised they didn't even form ice last night. I mean, it was only 30 degrees, so I can't ask for much. Just shove the snow off there. It's just easier to shove it off there anyways. So I was looking at my subscribers to how many subscribers to the percentage of viewers who are aren't subscribed, and it's pretty much the same. So if you guys are not subscribed, consider subscribing. It's always free. You can always unsubscribe. I'm currently at 20 subscribers. My goal for 2021 is to get to 30 subscribers, so if you guys can make that happen, that would be incredible. Like, I never told you my subscriber goal last year, but I did tell my family. And it was 20. But I remember, it's not that long ago, I made a video of my 12 subscribers, and I was incredibly happy. And all of a sudden I look at my email, guys, and I saw, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just got 5 subscribers. I'm already at 17 subscribers, and before I know it, I'm at 20, guys. That's incredible. So keep up the good work. Let's finish this up real quick, and then I'll be up to my grandma's house, and that video will be recorded. You should see both of these videos on the 6th. Hey, puppies. That's my dog, Maisie. We got a Roomba Ranch Domesticator. Oh, I just missed her. Also, guys, I think I'm gonna start in the summertime. When I record lawn mowing videos, I'll upload it to my grass gear channel and to my main channel, the Hard Work Kid. Just because there's not all of my subscribers who are subscribed to this channel watch Grass Gator. So I just want some people to see what it's like mowing the grass, and you should get videos, 2 videos of lawn mowing every week, because I have to do my grandma's and mine. Stuff's heavy. I need to tell my dad real quick. I found out. Is Dad out here? No. Okay. Watch out, Macy. Make sure my camera's clear here. Hi, guys. I don't know if you can see my reflection. I want to tell my dad and make sure he knows why his truck isn't starting. So, guys, I just want to tell you something. If you guys are into my videos, watching me shovel snow and seeing a lot of snow, and like seeing people doing workout in Alaska, I really recommend the show. It's called Life Below Zero, and it's on Disney Plus. Me and my dad binge watch it, and there's 11 seasons of it. It's just awesome. There's some points in the show where they say weird things that we don't understand, and some things that don't make any sense and are not true, but to them it's true and it helps them. But I highly suggest the show. It's amazing. It's fun to watch. There's some points in the show where stuff happens, but I'm not going to spoil it for you guys until you get it. It's around season 6 and 7 when the stuff happens. So if you want to see when it happens, start watching the show. And they get up to like negative 50, negative 60 degrees up there. Negative, you heard me right, negative. Sorry if I'm talking too much, but I like talking to the camera and myself. My back's starting to give out. It's not liking this. I need to go to the chiropractor. Last little bit here. And done. Whew. There you go, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. See you later.